This is the double dragon loop, a strong and interesting loop knot with a unique structure. Follow each turn carefully, form the loop step by step, then tighten everything evenly to create a clean and secure finish. This is the scaffold knot, a practical knot with a tight and secure grip. Make each wrap carefully, keep the rope aligned, then pull the working end to tighten the knot and finish it neatly. The double bowline is a useful variation of the classic bowline. Follow the rope carefully through each loop. Keep the structure neat, and tighten it properly to create a reliable fixed loop that's easy to recognize.